Hey, look at my dad with the peace sign. That food look good, don't it, Daddy? Ooh, look what Christian made. That plate looks so nice. You about to tear it up.
It's old street.
Yes, Lord. He at it again this morning, y'all. He making breakfast wraps.
I came back.
Why you got my dish rag in there? And he's seasoning that. What season is you using?
I'm using onion powder, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and some lemon butter garlic.
President to face federal criminal charges. Former president arrested by the same government who fled, pleading not guilty to all 37 criminal charges involving classified documents at his Mar-a-Lago home.
At least one man was taken into custody as hundreds of demonstrators on opposing sides gathered outside of the Miami federal courthouse yesterday. The Florida Panthers air traffic financial are beginning to
It's not ready yet because it's not hot. It's not hot enough. Just let them stay up in there. You got to make it be hot. So you put the oh, that look good. Put the potatoes in the air fryer first. He sauteed them, then he put them in the air fryer just so they can get brown. Good job, son. Now, what you making? What is this? Why you ain't let me record you cutting up the bread? Bro, what you about to make?
Some French toast.
Ooh, I'm about to tear it up, y'all. I'm going to show y'all a picture of it when he done.
Don't forget about the bacon.
I should make a whole... I'm going to start recording his stuff instead of just doing like, what you call them? Shorts. I'm going to start recording. Y'all, look, plant-based butter. Y'all better get on it. All right, son, I'm hungry. You gotta... Ooh, I'm hungry. Looks so good. Just pick up the thing and bring it over. And sit it on there. I don't think it's ready yet. Yeah, it's not ready yet. So let it... When it's not ready, you turn it up. And then you,
Whoa.
Isn't that neat, you guys, that he cut up the bread? He cut off the crust and made it into bread bread strips or whatever. That's neat. Now he's making French toast. Yeah. I'm about to tear it up, y'all. I can't wait till it's done. I'm so hungry.
Don't forget about the bacon.
Ooh, they look so good. Look at them. They turning out really nice.
Don't record me, please. If I have my permission, don't record me.
Go ahead, Saint. What is you doing?
Don't trust this.
Bring them.
Very untrustable. I don't know.
Ooh, woo, baby. Got my mouth watering. I can't wait. I'm so hungry. Oh, that looks really good, Christian. OMG. That looks good. I'm going to tear that up. Ooh, these, what is these called, Christian?
French toast sticks.
French toast sticks.
Homemade.
They look delicious. This boy know what he doing. Little chef. Christian, you better make sure you wipe my stove off now. Gotta wipe the stove off.
Okay.
Stove gotta be. And we gonna get some cast iron skillets. So I gotta get rid of these things because fluff them eggs up. Well, the milk make the eggs fluffy, y'all. If y'all don't know that, milk make your eggs fluffy. So, and light. So, put eggs. Well, some people don't like milk, but if you like milk, put milk in your eggs because it makes it fluffy. Makes your eggs really fluffy. Bro, what is you cook? You done cook all this stuff. What is this? So, what is this gonna be, a wrap with, and then you gonna put the eggs on there?
And then I'm gonna put the bacon and then I'm dabbing there. Know what I mean?
Oh.
Know what I mean?
Okay.
Know what I mean? Know what I mean? But
oh, you gonna crunch the bacon up?
yeah.
Okay.